everyone, welcome to my channel, and yes, I am going to be listening to the first song drop from the superstar Rajnikant starrer Coolie. Now this song is called Chikitu. Cute name, huh? I don't know what it means. And obviously directed by Lokesh Kanagaraj and music given by Anirudh. So we have the official music video. It's not a lyric video or anything, it's a music video. Let me just see if there are subtitles. Yes, there are. I am so happy, and it's like over a 4-minute song. So let's listen to this and let's watch this right away. Before I play the song, lyrics by Arivo and vocals by T. Rajendra, Anirudh, and Arivo. Okay, great, perfect. I just wanted to check that before the song. Let's go. Okay.
என்னடா
போதுனா டீ சாப்பிட்டு வந்து மிச்சத்தை பாத்துக்கலாம்.
இது முச்சுதான் மறு வேலை.
பொதுவா இப்பெல்லாம் வேலை பார்க்க மாட்டியா? இன்னைக்கு நான் தீயா இருக்கிற
தலைவருக்கு பண்றோம்.
Okay.
இருக்கணும்ல.
Let's go, Anirudh.
அதெல்லாம் கரெக்ட் தானா? ஆனா வைபே இல்லாம எப்படினா?
வைப் தானே.
Vibes, yes, we want the vibes.
ரைட்.
Oh, that's Anirudh for sure. Anirudh himself can try acting. I'm saying that. Oh yes! Woo! I like that switch. I'm not kidding. He really should try acting. Oh God, Sun TV will block this video, I'm sure. I hope they don't. Bro is carrying the song on his shoulder now. I'm telling you, with the acting and dancing, everything. So we'll take the floor now. Oh, I like how this song was not overtly loud and yet so groovy. That was nice. That was nice. Okay. Give me a nice mid-tempo dancing song and I'm in. I'm in. I vibe with this kind of tempo so much, like ta 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 ta, na 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 na. This is the tempo of this entire song, which is great. Wait, oh sorry. See, got so excited. Got so freaking excited. Firstly, the way I am so happy that this is not a lyric video and this is a full video. It's a music video. I'm very happy. Second thing, it was subtitled. Extremely happy for that. Third thing, the way it was shot. Very, very engaging. I loved how you also get the glimpse of the actual song which was going to be in the film, how it is picturized, but you also get the glimpse of the full choreography. So we obviously see Rajnikant sir in bits and pieces. We see how the transition happens from Anirudh to the film. So you know what is the choreography. And I feel, this is just a guess, is that the entire way that the formations were when Anirudh was moving and all of that whole with all the dancers, that is the exact formation and choreography that is happening in the film. That's what I feel. So we essentially know the entire choreography. And can I just say, the way Anirudh was carrying this entire video, like, I'm not kidding. Guys, I'm not kidding. Him as an actor, he broke and move a leg for sure. He knows he's got the moves, he's got the looks, he's got the talent for singing and composing. He can do that. Now, dialogue delivery, I'm pretty sure he'll be able to do that as well. So cast him in a film, guys. People from the South Tamil film industry specifically, please cast him in a film. Anyway, beside the point, very, very vibey song. I think what Anirudh understood the assignment. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna deliver vibes to you. And I love that this song there's a lot of good emphasis. Usually in a song like this, there's a lot of emphasis on the beat production, this and that, and how the rhythm is and the tempo and all of that. But here, I loved how a lot of emphasis is on the singing. Like, you really, really are able to appreciate the melody of the song, the composition that way. And the music it's there, you can vibe to it, but it's not dominating the song, it's not overpowering the vocals, which I love, which I absolutely love. Like, give me a dance number where it's not just about the music, it's also about the song and the melody and all of that. Like, it's about the whole of it. So the balance here was created really, really well. That's what I feel. But when I was listening to this now, I thought that, you know what, this fits my bias really well, but there would be people who would we wanted like more stronger, more emphasizing beats. Are you one of those? Do you think that no, the beats could have been a little more overpowering? Because it's a dance number. You are making a dance number. You are creating a song for the vibes. You're creating a song for celebration and all of that. And you know, it's a very chill kind of song. So fine, we can hear the composition, we can hear the melody, all of that, but essentially at the end of the day we are going to dance to it. So for dance we need those beats, so we need the beats to overpower. That could be one argument, which is quite valid. I am not saying it's not valid, it's definitely valid, and there are many songs which are made that way, where the focus is on beat because the music director, they want you to dance to it. Here there was like a proper balance created. You can hear the beat. It's not like the beat is completely in the background because you have to dance to the song. But here equal emphasis has been given to the vocals as well. So you can hear both in perfect sync. That's what I felt. But it's more acceptable to my palate because I like these kind of songs a lot. And the tempo is also more acceptable to my palate because this same song, you can increase the tempo. There is a really nice possibility that this song tempo can be increased a little, like it can be a faster song as well, with the same melody, with the same beat and everything. Just increase the rhythm, just increase that. Still possible, still be a good song. So did you want that? These are the thoughts that were coming in my mind while I was watching this music video. But I enjoyed the song. So just because I enjoyed it does not mean that you will also enjoy it, and it goes vice versa as well. So I definitely want to know your thoughts in this in the comment section. But overall, I loved how the song was shot, and I think I like now we are getting a mix of music video and lyric video, because it's not that we only need lyric videos for the promotion. We can make a music video like this. This is great. I think this was amazing. You just give a little bit of glimpse of Rajni sir, but you essentially give us the whole choreography and you give us the whole music video with Anirudh. I'm game. Yes, perfect. So yeah, that was the reaction to Chiquita. Or Chiquitu. Sorry, not ta. Chiquitu. Chiquita. I think that's the correct pronunciation from Coolie. And let me know what are your thoughts in the comments. And I'm going to sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.